Simangele Mkhize. I am currently a postgraduate student at the Graduate School of Business and Leadership at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. Being part of Nal'ibali has brought about so many benefits to my family. It has sparked the culture of reading, which has motivated me to read to children at home. We recently celebrated World Read Aloud Day. The story which was provided by Nal'ibali reached around 3.5 million children, and being part of that initiative and seeing the success of it keeps on encouraging me to keep reading to children. The Nal'ibali resource which the family mostly utilize, I would say it's the multilingual stories that are available on their sites. The great thing about those stories is that it's available in different languages. So when we go to the sites, now we have an option to choose between those languages as compared to being limited to choose only a story in one language. And the resource which we greatly benefit from is the activity sheets. We mostly use them during the holidays. It keeps the children occupied, it keeps the children entertained, and it keeps them learning at the same time. What I would say to Nal'ibali on their 10th birthday celebration, I will say happy birthday. Keep on doing the good work.